So very good afternoon, everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome everyone for the afternoon trading session. And we can see आज मार्केट में अच्छा खासा एक हमें करेक्शन देखने मिला है, राइट. बैक टू बैक कुछ दिनों से हमने अपसाइड भी देखने मिला था, एंड इट वाज वेरी एक्सपेक्टेड कि थोड़ा सा यहाँ से करेक्शन देखने मिलेगा, एंड likewise it happened, right. And to talk more about it, हमारे साथ आज निकुंज सर जुड़ने वाले हैं, राइट. एंड निकुंज सर हमारे साथ जुड़ के आज सारी बातें करेंगे. आज मार्केट में जो मोमेंटम हमने देखने मिला है हमें. बैंक निफ्टी तो ग्रेजुअली it covered nearly 200-300 points, but still all the indices are in negative. Nifty is nearly 0.6-0.5% downside. Bank Nifty 0.8% downside पे, followed by Sensex is 0.45% downside, and Nifty mid cap is also 1.8% downside. तो all in all एक मार्केट में थोड़ा सा हमें करेक्शन देखने मिला है. And Nikunj sir, let me know if I'm audible to you.
Yes, Avinash.
Can you hear me, Nikunj sir?
Yes, am I audible?
Absolutely, sir. You are audible now.
Okay.
The camera is off. Let us know when we can start the session.
We are good to go. We can start.
Great. Then over to you. You can start the session.
Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Avinash. Welcome to the final session for the week. And as for the first time, we have seen some cool off from the higher levels, mainly due to this geopolitical tension between our at the borders. So that is why it has kept the market a bit nervous. Thoda sa nervousness hai within the market, and we have seen some spike in India VIX, also almost 5-6% ऊपर है. So which is why thoda sa profit taking at higher levels, thoda sa uncertainty hai with regards to what may happen, what may not happen. So thoda sa cool off hai, but nonetheless we have recovered from the intraday lows which Nifty had made. तो निफ्टी ने 23,850 जो अपना previous breakout zone था, it has perfectly retested the same zone as you can see on the trend line we have drawn. तो वहां से आज अच्छा pullback देखा गया है. तो 23,800 is very crucial for the bulls. अगर उसके नीचे closing आती है, then we can see further corrective move. But जब तक 23,800 के ऊपर sustain कर रहा है and we are holding above the same, then we could see some another pullback move towards 24,350-400. So abhi it may enter some consolidation zone after we have seen a sharp up move in the month of April. So April May we have almost seen 2,200 points worth of up move, and वहां से अब थोड़ा सा it may consolidate within this range of 23,800 to 24,400, 450 on the higher zone. So we'll see. For the time being, it is holding 23,800, which is very good for the bulls. So जब तक उसके ऊपर है, we could see this pullback move towards 24,250, 24,350 on the higher zone. So data points की अगर बात करें, as we have entered the fresh series, that is May series, तो April के जो rollover data है, Nifty में the rollover was at 79.1%, which is comparatively higher than its previous month rollover, which was 76%, and in line with the quarterly average. So Nifty में थोड़ा सा higher rollover हुआ है, which is at 79.1%, and as compared to Bank Nifty में the rollover for this the April month was 75.1%, which is marginally lower than the previous month, which was 77%, and also the quarterly average जो 77.1 है, उससे भी 77.9 उससे भी थोड़ा सा lower है. तो it suggests that Nifty में positive rollovers है, तो I think the momentum could be there, but थोड़ा सा nervousness है with regards to this geopolitical tension, which is why profit taking and also the week is getting over, so थोड़ा सा profit taking ऊपर से है. तो till a time 23,800 is defended by the bulls, we could consolidate within this band of 23,800, 24,250, 350 on the higher zone. And Bank Nifty की अगर बात करें, तो बैंक निफ्टी विच वाज द लीडर, जो जिसने ये पूरा रैली स्टार्ट किया था, it did rallied almost 6-7,000 points in the month of April, and ऊपर से after in last 2 days it has seen some cool off. जो high lows का structure था from last 7-8 trading sessions, वो थोड़ा सा cool off हुआ है in last 2 days, and but it has also filled the gap up of 21st April, and it has taken support from right about that level only. So जब तक 54,250, 54,000 is held, we could see this consolidation, more consolidation rather than price correction. There could be some consolidation within this band of 54,000 and 55,550. So this is the range that we are working with in Bank Nifty. नीचे में 54,250, 52,000 are the immediate support points, while ऊपर में 55,000, 55,500 and 55, that is 55,555. So these are the levels with and it may consolidate within this band. So Bank Nifty में 54,250 is very crucial, and ऊपर में 55,555 is the immediate hurdle point. So as after a strong run up, we could consolidate within this range. थोड़ा सा nervousness है, that again I'll repeat. तो अगर आपकी लॉन्ग पोजीशन काफी है इन स्टॉक्स और बीट इंडेक्स, देन यू मे यू शुड हेज इट विथ सम पुट ऑप्शन. तो थोड़ा सा हेजिंग रहेगा तो दैट वुड बी बेटर, बिकॉज कोई भी न्यूज फ्लोज आता है देन द इंडेक्स में correct, then at least it would safeguard your capital with regards to the same. So Nifty में again I'll repeat, 20,800 is the immediate support. 23,800 एक strong support है, उसके नीचे closing आती है, then we could see थोड़ा सा momentum fizzling out on the high, and ऊपर में 24,350, 450 are the levels to watch out in Nifty. While Bank Nifty 54,250, 52,000 immediate support है, ऊपर में 55,000, 55,555 are the hurdle. तो एक range है 1,500, 1,200 points की, and we may consolidate within that band in Bank Nifty as well. So for the time being, these are the levels that we are working with. अगर sectors की बात करें तो IT last 2 दिन में very quickly share the Nifty IT last 3 दिन में it has seen some up move, and Bank Nifty likewise in last 3 days has corrected. तो एक थोड़ा सा negative correlation है between these two. तो whenever IT moves up, थोड़ा सा Bank Nifty थोड़ा sideways हो जाता है और थोड़ा correct करता है. तो Nifty IT has seen is the only sector which has seen positive momentum within last 3 days, wherein the front time index, Nifty and Bank Nifty, has seen थोड़ा सा corrective move. So Nifty IT is one sector which is decent as of now, and other than that थोड़े से दूसरे sectors, Nifty Pharma है. Even yesterday we saw some good traction, but आज थोड़ा सा corrective move. But अगर higher time frame पे देखें तो the index is relatively better placed, but एक consolidative move रहेगा उसमें भी pharma में, but selective counters may do well, be it Lupin or Glenmark. And coming back to Nifty, Nifty एक फिर 24,050 के पास कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है. तो एज ऑफ नाउ यानी अगर कोई ट्रेड सेटअप बनेगा, अगर आपकी कोई पोजीशन है लॉन्ग हेवीली, देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली हेज इट बाय बाइंग सम पुट ऑप्शन, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा कैपिटल प्रोटेक्शन भी रहेगा एंड थोड़ा अनसर्टेनिटी रहेगा. तो इट वुड हेल्प यू टू प्रोटेक्ट योर कैपिटल, एंड इफ यू आर हेवीली लॉन्ग देन इट विल सेफगार्ड योर लॉसेस, एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा लॉसेस कम होएगा. तो आई थिंक स्टॉक्स में अगर कोई डेफिनेटली रहेगा, वी डोंट वांट टू गो टू गंगो विद द स्टॉक्स विद BTST, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा रिस्क रिवॉर्ड एंड गोइंग बाय द मार्केट कंडीशन एंड द जियोपॉलिटिकल टेंशन, थोड़ा सा सेफ्टी वुड बी अ बेटर वे टू गो. एंड देयर इज अ वीकेंड, एंड वी नेक्स्ट वीक वी हैव a truncated week as well. One day we have a holiday on Thursday. So we'll see अगर कोई trade BTST setup लगेगा तो we'll definitely share the same. But as of now, the levels we have shared and just holding above those levels, so that is very good for the bulls as of now. But be mindful of the levels, because अगर वो break करता है then we could see थोड़ा सा momentum fizzling out on the higher side. So yeah, I think एक stock I think we can give as an overnight. is Atul Limited. So I think Atul Limited, अगर किसी को BTST करना है, then I think Atul Limited is one stock you can do a BTST, wherein we can buy at CMP that is 6500, keep a support of 6350, and look for target towards 6750 and 6800. So Atul Limited, which is relatively outperforming in a down market, the stock is up 4% and has given a range breakout on the daily frame at 63450. So buy CMP that is 6500, keep a stop of 6350 and look for a target towards 6750 and 6800. So one stock which is relatively outperforming, so यहाँ पे the money is chasing the stock. So यहाँ पर relative outperformance देखा गया है, तो the momentum should continue going forward for the last 1 hour as well as on Monday. तो ये एक BTST we have shared. I think levels are pretty clear. अगर कोई और stock समझ में आएगा तो we'll definitely talk and give you the same. But as of now, the levels are holding, so that is a good thing for the markets. So I think in the meantime, अगर कोई query रहेगी किसी की या stock position अटकी है या कोई सलाह चाहिए होगी, तो we'll definitely try to help and navigate within those trades. So किसी की कोई query है तो we'll definitely take a couple of queries. In the meantime, कोई और stock BTST candidate लगेगा तो we'll definitely share, या STBT likewise जो रहेगा उस हिसाब से we'll definitely share the same.
So I'll repeat once again the levels, Nikun sir.
Yeah.
BTST for Atul Limited, right?
Yeah.
Buy near 6504. Currently it's trading near 6504 levels, right?
Which is 6500.
6500, right? तो current levels पे buy करना है कहीं 6500 पे. Stop loss will be 6350. 6350 का stop loss रहेगा and target will be 6750. 6750 का target रहेगा. And we have pinned it as well. So yes, Atul Limited is the BTST for today, and we'll just move ahead with taking the stock queries right now.
Sure.
So Indigo quantity bought at 5298, holder exit for 1 or 2, 3 months of time frame.
Bought at
5298.
Okay, I think Indigo थोड़ा सा जो करेक्शन आया है ऊपर से, बट अपने स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रेकआउट जोन के पास आज रीटेस्ट किया है विच इज 5185. तो आई थिंक यू शुड कंटिन्यू टू होल्ड नीचे में जब तक 5180 5150 के नीचे क्लोज नहीं आते. आई थिंक यू शुड कंटिन्यू टू होल्ड एंड ऊपर में यू कुड स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली सी अ टारगेट टुवर्ड्स 5600 ऑन द हायर साइड.
Great. Sir, so Divyansh ji bought by Nifty. Sorry, Nifty bought 24,400 call, 70 price. Okay, hold or sell.
Just a moment. 24,400.
Right, call.
Is it weekly expiry का ना?
I guess so. Yeah, weekly expiry, because Nifty monthly expiry is done, right?
Yeah, but some people do buy monthly expiry. Currently, it is quoting at 157. He's bought at
70.
70.
Yes.
Okay, I think you should continue to hold. Keep a trailing stop of 120 and hold. 120 अगर होता है exit, then exit your position. Till then, it is hold. If you're making money, trail your stock in the money and then see अगर और ऊपर जाता है then well and good. नहीं तो थोड़ा सा profit में you will get an exit.
So Divyanji, I hope this answers your query. You know, you are making a good sort of profit as of now. You can trail your stop loss if you still want to hold it.
Yes.
So yeah, this is the update from our expert. Anil ji bought Lodha at 1375. Should he hold or exit?
Okay. 1375.
Yes.
Okay. तो थोड़ा सा एंट्री हायर जोन पे, बट 2 दिन में अच्छा मूव दिया था स्टॉक ने लास्ट मंथ वीक में, बट थोड़ा सा ऊपर से करेक्टिव मूव आया, लेकिन अपने प्रीवियस डिमांड जोन के पास है. आई थिंक 1280 इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट फॉर लोडा विच इज मैक्रोटेक डेवलपर्स. एंड ऊपर में आई थिंक आपका जो बाइंग प्राइस है दैट इज द इमीडिएट रेजिस्टेंस पॉइंट. तो अगर उसके ऊपर 1390-95 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग आती, then the move can get extended towards 1450, 1480 as well. So till the time being, it could be within this range of 1280 and 1370. I think जब तक 1280 break नहीं करता है, you should continue to hold your long in.
Okay. What is your view on Dalmai Bharat?
Dalmia Bharat.
Dalmia Bharat.
Okay. So I think Dalmia Bharat yesterday did announce the quarterly numbers and post that the stock has seen थोड़ा सा अपने ऊपर से corrective move आया है, but नीचे में 1920 1925 is a good support. तो जब तक 1920 के ऊपर hold कर रहा है, आप hold कर सकते हैं. You could see the up move getting extended towards 2040 2070 on the higher side. I think 1920 के support से hold कीजिए.
Hero MotoCorp.
हीरो एक रेंज में है, ऊपर में 3940 3950 के आसपास 3980 के आसपास से थोड़ा सा करेक्टिंग हुआ है, लेकिन 3820 इज गुड सपोर्ट. 3820 3800 these are the two strong supports. जब तक वो होल्ड कर, आई थिंक यू शुड कंटिन्यू टू होल्ड योर लॉन्ग्स इन हीरो मोटोकॉर्प.
Hardik Jasani, I'm not sure what exactly this query is about. INFTY call 1500 buy 45 hold or what? Hardik ji, please write it properly so we can take your query. So a question from Mahesh ji, can market again go towards low in closing?
It may, I mean, as I said कि थोड़ा सा सुबह काफी पैनिक था विद द न्यूज फ्लोज एंड नीचे से थोड़ी सा पुल बैक देखा गया था, ऑलमोस्ट 200-250 पॉइंट का पुल बैक देखा गया था, एंड राइट नाउ इट इज होल्डिंग 24,000. आई थिंक लेवल वाइज वर्क करेंगे तो दैट वुड बी बेटर. 23,800 स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है और प्रीवियस ब्रेकआउट का भी जोन है, तो जब तक 23,800 के नीचे क्लोजिंग नहीं आ रही, आई थिंक थोड़ा सा डोंट हैव टू बी टू पैनिक विद रिगार्ड्स टू द सेम, बट थोड़ा सा अगर जियोपॉलिटिकल टेंशन एक्सकेवेट हो जाता है तो देन वी कुड any level will be taken out, but for a time being the market is saying it is holding 23,800, so be with that level wise अगर वो break करेगा only then we could see थोड़ा सा corrective move. तो जब तक 23,800 के ऊपर है, I think this positive momentum जो last month में build up हुआ था, it may continue going forward. तो जब तक 23,800 के ऊपर है, I think you don't have to be too panic within the market. But आप तो heavily long है, then you should buy put option just to safeguard those long positions.
If you on Blue Star Co.
So all these AC manufacturers have seen sharp correction. Voltas has seen from last 3 days has corrected. Blue Star is also not spared. 3 दिन से lower lows, lower highs बना रहा है. And अपना previous जो support था, that is near 1690 and 1700. So I think it is very crucial 1700 hold करना. अगर 1700 break करेगा, then just what to say, the negative momentum may continue. But as of now 1700 is very good support. तो अगर वो hold कर रहा है, then we could see pullback. But as of now कोई pullback तो नहीं दिख रहा. But 1700 is very strong support. अगर वो break करता है, then the stock may correct further.
Yes Bank for 1 year.
Okay. I think Yes Bank, I don't think ऐसा कोई 1 year के लिए लेने की जैसा नहीं है बैंक. I think I would rather suggest shift your money into ICICI Bank or be that matter Kotak Bank, which are doing very good. Yes Bank एक रेंज में 19 and 17, तो ये बैंड में ही ट्रेड कर रहा है फ्रॉम लास्ट ऑलमोस्ट 6-7 मंथ. तो ऊपर में 1980 1950 का एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस है, नीचे में 17 and 1650 आर द सपोर्ट. So these are the range. 1 year के लिए I would suggest you to buy Yes Bank rather buy ICICI Bank or Kotak Bank. अगर smaller banks में ही को रहना है, then Federal Bank and those banks are decent.
Cipla.
Yeah, so pharma, I think Cipla to yesterday आज अच्छा breakout देने के बाद आज ऊपर से थोड़ा सा correcting हुआ है, but it may consolidate in the range. So 1500 is a support, ऊपर में 1565 का एक resistance है. जब 1565 निकल जाता है, then we could see the move getting extended towards 1600. But as of now, it's within this range of 30-40 points. नीचे में 1500 is a strong support, 1545, 1560 is the hurdle. तो 1500 जब तक ब्रेक नहीं करता, अगर आपका लॉन्ग है तो you should continue to be long.
Okay. So, do we have any trade for today, Nikun sir?
I think trade we have given one BTST. I'm not too sure index में ज़्यादा position करके या कुछ ये है. But as of now, I think Atul Limited is one stock we have given. अगर और कोई समझ में आएगा, then we'll definitely share. We don't want to be too long heavy, and then कुछ अगर news हो जाता है and we may open negative या कुछ भी हो, कुछ भी, because we cannot predict this geopolitical thing, which is why safety is better, because capital protection is the most important thing, and risk management is very important in equity market. So why risk when you know there is some risk involved in the what say surrounding. So as of now, एक जो अतुल लिमिटेड दिया था, that is the only BTSC as of now. So be with that. अगर और कोई रहेगा तो we definitely share. And I keep repeating, अगर आपका long heavy है, then you should buy put option to hedge it, not as a trade.
Great. So before I move ahead with taking another queries, we still will take, guys, a couple of more queries.
Sure.
So before we move ahead, guys, we have shared a poll in below, just beside the chat section, and we really want your feedback since हम ये काफी time से session करते हैं, and you know अभी regularly हमारे expiries तो नहीं होते. This, you know, we are just doing the what do we say, the afternoon trading session, and we do try to give the trades, and parallelly we also share the BTST. So we actually wanted to get the feedback. So please make sure you go there and share your feedbacks. The number of people who have joined here, please make sure you share your valuable feedback out there. You know, this will help us to serve you better. So yes, we'll quickly jump on to the stock queries. Ultratech.
So Ultratech आज correction हुआ था in the first half, but नीचे से अच्छी recovery दी है stock में. So I think this positive momentum should continue in Ultratech. तो 12,000 या 11,900 के support से you should continue to hold your longs. ऊपर में the stock में it is trading at life high, and it may continue this momentum towards 12,550 and 12,700 on the higher side. तो 11,900 के support से hold कीजिए long position in Ultratech.
So guys, we'll take two more queries for today's session.
Sure.
Any stock specific option BTST, as today many company Q4 result will be out?
I think Atul Limited did announce Q4 numbers. I think you can play Atul Limited with regards to the same.
तो उसके अलावा कोई है निकुंज सर?
I think result play as of now ज़्यादा ये नहीं है, but I think energy. Wait, I just check. So I think one stock wherein you can do another BTST is JSW Infra. So JSW Infra, किसी को अगर BTST करना है, then we could look into that. We can buy at CMP, that is 304. Keep a stop of 296 and look for target towards 320 on the higher side. So this is purely a BTST trade. We had buy at CMP, that is 304, 296 के support से 320 के target के लिए you can buy JSW Infra as a BTST. This is the second BTST.
Great. So guys, we're just posting it in the chat box. The another BTST on JSW Infra. Could you please repeat once again the levels, sir?
Okay, so buy at CMP and keep a stop of wait, I just buy at CMP. There is 304, 296K supports है. Look for target towards 320.
296 is the stop loss and
320 is the target.
Great. So guys, I would repeat once again for you, BTST on JSW Infra, current market price is 304 levels it's trading right now, and 304 के लेवल पे आपको बाय करना है करंट मार्केट प्राइस पे, और स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा 296 का, और टारगेट रहेगा 320 का, 320 का टारगेट रहने वाला है. सो गाइस, हमने दो इंट्राडे सॉरी BTST ट्रेड शेयर किया है, एंड we'll take one more stock query for today.
Sure.
Minalji, we cannot comment on our own stock prices due to compliance guidelines, right? And you can ask any other stock queries. We will be more than happy to answer the same. What is your view on TCS?
So TCS नीचे से recovery दी है post the Q4 numbers, थोड़ा सा slow and steadily gradual move from 3200 to 3450. I think जब तक नीचे में 3380, 3360 के ऊपर है, तब तक this ongoing momentum could continue towards 3500, 3525 on the higher side.
Great. So Nifty, Amanji had Nifty put 23,500. Current market was 57. Hold or exit?
23,500.
Right.
Current market price is 110. क्या level पे लिया है?
57 पे, I guess.
57.
Yes.
Okay. So I think almost the put has doubled. So I think keep a trailing stop of 95 and hold. When 95 break करता है, then you should exit. So at least you'll make money in your put option. अगर और market गिरता है, then you can take advantage of the same.
So guys, this will be the last for today. What is the TCS 3400 call at 117? Query from the
Okay, 3400 call लिया है.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll keep जो spot level में है 3400 का stop से hold कीजिए. अगर spot में if it breaks 3400, then you should exit your call option.
Great. So I guess that's it from our end. We have covered almost a couple of queries, and there are a lot of queries out here. Since the time constraint is always a factor. So, but guys, you can definitely visit Stockholm and post all your queries out there. We will be more than happy to answer all your queries from our experts, right? Mm-hmm. And our experts will definitely answer all your queries. So yes, apart from that, guys, we have also posted a poll just beside the chat section. We always wanted to get the feedback from you guys, since you guys regularly join the session. आप लोग हमारे साथ हमेशा सेशन में जुड़ते हो, एंड हमें आपका सुझाव ज्यादा जरूरी रहता है, क्योंकि उससे ही हम आपको और अच्छी सेशंस या हम आपको सर्विसेज दे पाएंगे आपको जिस तरह से चाहिए, राइट? So yes, that's it guys from our end. Please do post your queries out on Stockholm, and we will be more than happy. Thank you so much guys for joining. Thank you so much, Nikun sir.
Thank you. Have a good weekend. Have a good day.
You too, and have a great weekend, guys.
Sure.